In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Figma. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know how to open your work, find the export controls, choose the right format, PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF, and download polished assets for development, presentations, or sharing. First, go to Figma.com. From the home screen, look for the area that shows everything in your workspace and click on All Projects. This view is a convenient way to see the full set of files available to you, especially if you work across multiple teams or folders. Next, select a project and click to open it. Once you're inside, you can export anything you select, entire frames, components, or individual layers like icons and images. If you want the whole screen or artboard, make sure you've actually selected the frame in the layers panel, not just a group inside it. That way your export will capture exactly what you expect at the correct bounds. Now, click on Export at the right. You'll find the Export section in the right-hand sidebar under the Design tab. If you don't see it, select a frame or layer and it will appear. The export area lets you set up what to export and how. You can add one or multiple export settings if you need different sizes or formats of the same asset. For format, you can select PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. PNG is great for crisp UI assets and supports transparency, so it's ideal for icons and interface elements. JPEG is best for photos or images, where a smaller file size matters more than transparency. SVG is a vector format that scales without losing quality, perfect for logos and icons used on the web or in apps. PDF is a good choice for print or when you want a shareable document that preserves vector detail. While you're here, you can also choose a scale like 1x, 2x, or 3x to match different device densities, and Figma will append those scale indicators to the file names for clarity. When you're ready, click Export. In the desktop app, you'll be prompted to choose a location. In the browser, the file typically downloads automatically to your default download folder. Figma uses the name of your selected layer or frame as the file name, so clear layer names make it easier to keep your exports organized. If you've added multiple export settings or selected multiple layers, Figma will generate a separate file for each. That's it. Go to Figma.com, open all projects, select your project, use the export panel on the right, choose the format that suits your needs, and click Export. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.